Don't you dare put all that in your mouth. Hey everybody, I'm Derek, Ava's dad.
Hi, I'm Ava, Derek's daughter, and today on Cook It Yourself, we are going to make Ava and Derek's 10-minute onion bhaji.
Yay! So why do we call them 10-minute onion bhajis, Ava?
Because it just takes 10 minutes.
Should we tell everybody what's in our 10-minute onion bhajis and why they're so quick? Yeah.
So we have a massive onion.
A large onion.
A large onion.
And what I'm going to do is, because I'll use the knife, and I will slice it up into little bits, won't I?
Yeah.
And while I'm doing that, I want you to show everybody what else goes into this mix.
Yes. And these are the ingredients. 1 teaspoon of meth leaves. 1 tablespoon of mixed powder. If you don't know what mixed powder is, check out our mixed powder video. 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Half teaspoon of ground black pepper, also known as black pepper. Half teaspoon of salt, that goes in the onions. 1/4 of a cup of ground flour, also known as chickpea flour. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of ginger powder.
Okay, so we've finally chopped the onions, finally sliced the onions, and we put them into a nice big tub like this, going everywhere. And the first thing we do to the onions straight away is add half a teaspoon of salt. And the reason why we do that is because the salt will pull all the moisture out of the onions. If anyone's got a tip for how to stop onions from making your eyes water, by all means get in touch.
Be a kid!
Oh, I'm crying here, Aves, I'm crying. Are you saying what's going in there? You're not, are you? Go on, carry on. Gram flour.
Gram flour, also known as chickpea flour.
It certainly is.
I said that earlier.
You certainly did. Oh, the moisture's coming out of them onions now. It's starting to get a little bit wet.
I'm just gonna give.
Come on, Aves. The 10-minute onion bhaji is not 6-hour ones. Oh, careful, careful. Mix it nicely and gently.
I like the colour.
Do you?
It's like a sand animal.
It's like a sand animal again. Oh, crying.
I'm not.
Oh,
I'm
no,
a
you're
kid.
not. Why are you not crying?
Because I'm a kid. Be a kid and then your eyes won't water.
We changed the title to 20-minute onion bhajis.
It's mixed.
Is it mixed? Have you done it? Right, okay. So sprinkle it in there. No, not flick it in there. Sprinkle it. A little bit at a time. Do you want me to do it?
Wait, I'll
All right, go on
spoon
then.
it in.
Ooh, that'll do. We don't have to put it all in, you see. We just want enough to coat the onions.
Can I do it with my hands?
Yeah, you can do it with your hands.
So
It'd be
you don't
quite
water?
messy. It'd be quite messy.
Oh. You do cry if you're a kid. Just in a while.
You do cry if you're a kid. Right, so we've coated all the onions. All coated in the nice dry batter, which has now gone a bit sticky, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So what we need to do now, and you can do one as well, is you get a little handful like that. Yeah?
Yeah.
And start to just push them gently
Into a ball shape.
into a ball shape. Okay?
Okay.
You going to do one? Oh, that's way too much. I'll do, yeah.
I'm rubbish at this.
You don't squeeze them too tight, just nice and gentle. So watch Daddy. Yeah, you get them in your hand like that. Yeah?
Cup shape.
And then you just gently pad them together Nice and gentle, just slowly work them together into the size of a golf ball.
There we go.
Is it going to hold together when you put it down like that? That's not bad. That's pretty good, that is. You can actually wear, we should have worn gloves.
Yeah.
That way we wouldn't have got all messy hands.
I don't like having messy hands. Oh, it just dropped on the floor. Oh, my boot.
So we've got 4.5 there, Aves. Four for me and half for you.
Why?
Okay, so the bhajis are all prepped and ready and they're in the basket. What we're going to do now, Aves?
We're going to cook them at 5 minutes and 150 degrees C.
All set and ready. Do you want to lower them in nice and slow? Do you want to get this, Mummy? Aves is going to lower them in nice and slow. And there we go. Just drop them in nicely.
Ooh.
Lovely. Don't come back. Don't get too close. What we're going to do is we're going to cook them for 5 minutes, get them nice and crispy, and then we're going to take them out and we're going to have a look at them, and then we're going to show you a little trick to help you to crisp them in the middle. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes and we'll just lift them out. Looking quite nice at the moment. What we do is, I use one of these. It's a knife sharpener, but you can use a knife, a blunt knife, and just put it in. And what we do is we put a big hole right in the middle, like that. See the hole there? And then we cook them again for another 2 minutes, and that'll just crisp up the middle nicely. So these are done now. Let's take them out. Plate them up.
Apparently Daddy's got 4 and I've got half.
I'll let you have more than half, Aves.
Yay! There we go. Every day it's 10-minute onion bhajis. Now it's time for the best bit. The taste test. Nom, 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 nom.
Well, you want to cut one, don't you? Oh, listen to that.
Can you hear that crunch?
You can hear the crunch.
Can I have this bit? I'm having this bit.
Oh, they're crunchy. Are they nice? Now, what I will say is Ava's not a fan of onions, are you, Aves? But when kids cook their own food and they put all the ingredients in, all of a sudden they love them. It's just a brilliant way of getting kids to eat this type of food. Well, with these, Aves, how crunchy that one is. Oh.
But I hope you enjoyed this video. Just saying 2 words. Like and subscribe. And thank you for all the amazing comments on the last video.
See you next time on
Cook It Yourself. I want to finish the bits.
All the bits?
Yeah.
You're going to finish all the bits?
Yeah, these are mine.
Are they yours?
Yeah.
They look so nice. That's it. I've had my fill. I'm not getting any more.
Nope.
Nope. And that, my friends, is why you let your kids cook the food. Because when they cook it, they don't half eat it.
Trying to get this bit.